Well, folks, a question that we get a lot is how do we do so much hunting or find the time? I think the best way to answer that question is we're willing to do some pretty stupid stuff that other people aren't. For example, it's Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. We left Thanksgiving dinners last night or yesterday at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon to drive all the way to Arizona to be here for the opening morning, first shooting light. The storm of all storms has hit northern Arizona, and every highway in northern Arizona has been closed down since last night. We hit Kingman, Arizona at like 2 a.m. and they shut down I-40 for most of the way across the state. So we did a big detour, went down through Phoenix and came up thinking we would go south of the storm, but we ran into more roadblocks up here. So we've been hanging out for a few hours, catching a nap in the truck, waiting for them to clear the roads and hopefully get up to our unit. We're only like 20 miles from the border, but we've been stuck here for several hours. So this is where we sit. But gang's all here. First time we've, I think, all rode in one truck to hunt all the way across the state. Nate's the shooter. Nate's got the tag. So plan is we'll go find a bull real soon.
Look what Nate brought home.
All right, we made it. What was the drive time? 21 hours? 21 hours we just spent in the truck to drive to the unit, but we are in the unit. We are getting ready. It's really windy and almost whiteout conditions. Oh, big truck. He's moving. All right, so I think we're gonna do a little road hunting for a little bit and try and get off the top of this ridge where all this wind is, maybe. We'll see.
All inside. Why can't be a group of cows right next to
Yep. If we were hunting horses, we'd be doing pretty good.
buddy? I want to make sure they're both the dogs.
Oh, man. Seth, give us a synopsis. What happened tonight?
Tonight?
Yeah, what did we see?
Horses and turkeys.
No
And a
elk.
lot of snow.
Horses, turkeys, a lot of snow. No elk. So, but we got ourselves a hotel because we're all running on about an hour of sleep, maybe, for each of us. Yeah, Seth got the most. So, as always.
Seth, can you bring my bag up? I'll tip. I'll give you a tip.
You give me a tip?
It's one thing California does have a plethora of turkeys.
want to shoot spikes, but that's all I've been able to find for him so far. You see him?
Yeah. I just gotta tell this story.
So recap, what happened?
Recap. So, following these elk tracks, you peel off, you hand me the camera, and we're going down through this ditch.
Why? What was Cody doing?
He was lightening the load.
Yeah.
And we're going through this creek bottom, and all of a sudden Nate goes like this. And I can see him going, and then...
No, then he says, I think I smell
Yeah, I couldn't hear
elk.
what he said. And then,
I smell elk.
and then Ryan throws back his head like a rutted buck, just... and he looks over at me, and I'm just like...
I'm like, no. Somebody smells.
Just get a big old whiff of my fart.
Dead downwind.
Got the goods.
How many are there? 4. All cows.
It's good there's elk, and it's good that they're up already. I don't think they're bulls, but there's gotta be bulls in the area.
All right, we're back at our hotel tonight. No luck on any bulls, but somebody did well for themselves. Look at that bull. Nice. Alright, we cut some tracks. We're gonna go follow them. See, we can't turn up whatever made them. Been pretty slow this morning. Haven't seen a single elk yet. So, wish us luck.
I don't understand why none of these could be over here.
The one that you said that you saw is pretty wide.
Yeah.